Hi there. Camtasia Studio has always been a desktop program, and as a result, you may not associate the use of AI with a desktop program like Camtasia. However, Camtasia does have a set of AI tools for the video creation and editing process. In fact, its entire system for noise removal is now called AI noise removal. And what you can do if you're looking for this effect is you can go to the audio effects area and you'll see AI noise removal. And the way that Camtasia works is that you can move the AA noise removal down to the timeline where your audio is, and the AI will automatically go through the process of doing what you can in order to generate audio that is without background noise. So for example, what we would do is we would pull down the noise removal and you'll see that the effect has been added. You'll also see here on the right side menu that there's an element here for noise removal, which you can adjust according to the way that you want to use it. Now, in terms of AI, there are AI tools available in a separate paid program called Audiate. However, Audiate is not necessary in order to experience the AI in Camtasia. Another element inside of Camtasia that is an AI is called dynamic captions. With dynamic captions, what you would do is you would be able to pull the dynamic captions down to your timeline. And what you can do is you can experience Camtasia generating a transcript and then using that transcript to allow you to place your captions inside of your video. So for example, we can take this element and we can drop it down to our timeline. Now, we're not going to watch this in real time. We're going to stop the video and we want to allow this process to complete. What you now have is you have an element of dynamic captions that you can now customize for your screen. And you'll see that here on this specific page, you can also edit the transcript that's being used. If you zoom in, you'll be able to see the individual words. If you click on them, you'll see the words here in this area and you can make changes to the actual transcript. So the AI in Camtasia will allow you to create dynamic captions. It will also allow you to do AI noise removal for your videos.